Windows Autopilot is a tool designed to streamline device management for end users and IT teams alike by automating the image deployment of new machines. We use it a lot here in Mobile Mentor and quite frankly love the capabilities that it brings to the table. However, as with most pieces of sophisticated software, many often have questions about its capabilities, limitations, and customizations. Here are some basics and best practices for Autopilot setup. First, start with an enrollment scope for your environment. This will establish which end user can automatically enroll their devices into Intune. Once you have an enrollment scope established, you'll need to set up an enrollment status page, also known as ESP. This page will allow you to view the configuration process of devices. It will also determine what a user sees when they access their device. Finally, set up a deployment profile. These are typically determined by an end user's role in an organization. The profile tells Autopilot what it needs to do in terms of process. Autopilot allows admins to create up to 350 profiles in their system. The idea behind these 3 steps is that once a device is enrolled in Autopilot, it needs a specific process to follow. Once the process is established, it will let devices enrolled in Autopilot know how to behave, what to show, and what to pull down in terms of applications, security, patching, and compliance. Once a solid process is established, your team will be able to set configurations at will. Without a process in place for Autopilot, things will inevitably go haywire, creating a plethora of difficulties for your admin team. The Autopilot process is a tremendous tool and one that your organization will surely benefit from leveraging. However, when you're getting started, questions will inevitably arise pertaining to unique configurations. We've been there before and we're here to help should you have questions or need assistance. Feel free to reach out for guidance on making your Autopilot journey successful.